Beenal and today we are going to bake these gorgeous lemonade cupcakes with rice bran oil by Godrej. Yes, we are going to bake with oil because this oil is odorless and has neutral flavor, which makes it perfect for baking and even more perfect for eggless baking. So let's get started. Here comes one very important ingredient, that is lemon zest. Please do not skip this ingredient. This is going to lift your cupcake to whole another level. The kitchen smells just beautiful right now. It's time to add this frothy curd to the mixture. It is going to give lift to our cake. Now after adding this, fold gently. Do not overmix or do not mix roughly. The cupcakes have baked nicely. It has come out very soft and fluffy. You can top it off with anything, whipped cream, buttercream or any kind of frosting. I am going to top it off with some lemon curd. So our gorgeous and refreshing cupcakes are ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it.